Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to have a Udacity platform review. And we're going to start with introduction to Udacity. What is Udacity? And then we're going to see what does Udacity offers and the structure of the courses. And then the most important thing is going to be the prices. And then the strength of Udacity and the limitation of Udacity and who is it for this platform and some global reach. So let's begin. First of all, Udacity is an online learning platform that offers a nano degree program, which is a certificate that they have named it, which is kind of like a degree, but it's nano because the official degree takes 4 years. That's a four, okay. That's a four. But their nano degree takes a couple of months. And it's in the tech field. So it's only in the tech field, mainly focused on job-ready skills. Now, it's founded in 2011 by Sebastian Thurn and other founders. This is Sebastian Thurns, and it was actually an experiment from Stanford University. So basically, Udacity is an online platform in the field of tech that provides courses. They call it as a nano degree. What is a nano degree and how does it differ between other courses? Let's see it. So what does Udacity offers? Their signature product, or they are known for their nano degree. So that means they don't have courses? Yes, they do have courses. And yes, they do have free courses and they are really good. So the idea is that instead of renaming it courses, they're going to rename it as a nano degree. I usually see it as a diploma. So nano degree is like 3 to 6 months, almost the same length of a diploma. Diploma usually is from 6 to 1 year. And it includes real world projects, and they do review your codes, and there's also mentorship included. This is the field, but they have more than this. They have trading, AI trading. They have, I'll show you that when we go to the website. But usually is in the tech field, and lately they are heavily focusing on artificial intelligence and data science and machine learning, which is obvious. And they also have free courses. It's a little bit less in depth, kind of like a crash courses, but it's a good course. I mean, some free courses are really bad, but their free courses are good, and their free courses actually support their nano degree. For example, most of the nano degrees, they will require you to know, let's say, SQL or SQL. And if you don't know, you can just go to a free course of SQL and learn it, and that's it. So that's how I see it, that their requirements of nano degrees are supported by their free courses. So you have to first watch the free courses. If you know nothing about technology, you don't know nothing about programming, nothing about Python, SQL, database, anything else like that. So you go to the free courses, you learn the fundamentals, and then you get to the nano degree, because most of the nano degrees, they require some requirements. So the structure of the course, they have video courses, which is video lessons, and then they give you a real project. You have to do it, and they will review your code by a professional. And there's also a mentor who's going to review your code. And they have some career services. For example, they will check your LinkedIn profile and give you some advice. And there is also some interview and career coaching only for nano degrees users. Basically, if you just enroll to their platform, you can just have access to a nano degree. Now to the most important thing, prices. Now I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. This platform, it's not cheap, and it's from some way middle to expensive, especially if there is no discount. In this video, you do have a discount. It's 55%, which is a huge discount, and you'll see it at the end of this video. So typically it's around 400 or 399 per month. And they do offer discount, just like the one I have it in this video. And they do offer a lot of scholarship. The best thing is that you can actually pause your subscription if you want. You again have to check. They keep changing the rules. But 2021, I enrolled to the nano degree. And then I ended my subscription. When I ended my subscription, I had access to the nano degree for a whole year. I was able to learn for a whole year, but I couldn't take the certificate. That's the nice thing about them. Their scholarship are available partners with Google and AWS and Meta, and other platforms like Bertelsmann and 1 million Arab coders and MISC Academy from in Saudi Arabia and stuff like that. So I actually had a 1 million coder scholarship, but then I had to pay. After that, I finished and I paid from my own money for a whole year, and I ended the subscription. And after that, I had an access for the learning material for the whole year, and but I couldn't get that certificate unless I renew. So you have to check their rules and regulation. And the platform is not cheap, guys. It's even sometimes it's cheaper when they have a discount, or than it's cheaper than a real boot camp, which is lasts from 6 to 1 month, so from 6 months to 1 year. And obviously it's cheaper than university courses like traditional education. By traditional education, I mean university courses or college courses. But again, Udacity is not cheap. It's only cheap if you have a huge discount, just like the one that I have it in here. I'll show you that when we go to the platform. It's 55%. I think this is the highest discount I have ever seen for Udacity. Now, the the pros of using Udacity. The content is very high quality, and they always update their content. It's like amazing. One of the highest quality videos I have seen. Well recorded and easily explained. It's project-based learning, and their projects are not that easy. They're like almost like real world, so you have to pay attention for that. And the instructors are often from Google and Amazon, so you've been taught by real professionals. It's career oriented. It's not just theory, just like Coursera and other platform. It's career oriented, which means they give you theory, but they give you practical also. And the practical is almost applicable to the real world. And the strong partnership that you have is with top tech companies like Google and Amazon and stuff. As for the limitation, Udacity is known that the price is very high comparing to Coursera that provides most of the courses, if not all of them, for free as an audit, and Udemy, which are almost like $9.99 or $10 or $12 or $13. And sometimes you can get them as a free coupon. There is no formal accreditation of Udacity Review. It's not a university degree. They call it nano degree, but it's not a university degree, and it's not an accredited certificate. It's not like a certified certificate like Google certificate or Cisco certificate. And some programs are better than the others. Quality may vary for their nano degrees. Require self-discipline and consistency to complete because their nano degrees are, let's say, 60 hours. And you will enroll for 1 month. It will never be enough. So you're going to need at least from 3 to 6 months to complete a nano degree. That depends on how many hours you put. So in short, who is it for? For people who want a career in tech, data science, machine learning, AI, cybersecurity, computer vision, deep learning, React developer, web developer, this type of tech, type of careers. People who are looking for switching to career or upskill. Switching to career, if you are in a career, let's say in accounting, and you want to get into data science, so you will enroll to Udacity nano degree. Or if you are a graduate, let's say of bachelor's in data science, and you want to have a practical knowledge of data science, then you can go and enroll to Udacity. And it's for people who prefer hands-on projects over academic theory. So it's all about projects, and their projects are really good. Now, not ideal if you are starting really from zero and you have no background, because most of the nano degrees, they expect you to have prior knowledge, the basics of computer science. Those who are looking for accredited degrees or academic credentials, obviously you won't get any academic credentials. And as for the accredited degrees, this certificate is not accredited. They're just like certificate of completion, but they're known in the field of tech for their good quality. So if you take them, it will be a good in your portfolio. As for the global reach, it's all over the world. You'll find students from all over the world. All the courses are taught in English, and there are some subtitles. You will find subtitles. Now, I don't know if your language is in the subtitle, but for me, the Arabic was there. And career services are effective usually in the US market job. So if you live in the US, the career service that they provide is suitable, and then it's suitable for US market job. So if you live in, let's say, Dubai, it might not be relative. So, or if you're planning to go to US, or if you live in US, so it's going to be perfect for you.